and add a value from touching a part. This is the later stuff I'm using today, cache and rank, and I'll show you how to do a string and a int. I do suggest you watch your leaderboard video if you want to know how to do that. Anyway, so in the script, we're going to start off by doing, I'm going to define some things. So part equals script.parent, easier for me. So part.touch.connect, then we'll do function, and then a parameter hit. Now what we're going to do is define humanoid. So humanoid equals hit.parent.find first child of humanoid. I believe, yeah, humanoid. And then we'll type that if statement. So if humanoid, then so saying if it is a humanoid, then do this. Now we're going to define player, so we can add the value. So player this game.players.find, or just type in character, get player from character, and it's going to be hit.parent. Let's say find that thing. Now we're going to define its adding value. So we're going to do player dot leader stats dot cache. Now if I'm going to change cache value, all you need to do is type in and do cache equals to that, and then you can type local later. But cache dot value equals cache dot value plus 1. And what it's saying is the cache value is going to be equal to the new cache value plus 1. And then if you want to, you can do, if you just want to make those go, I do suggest just typing local, so they're local to this function. Anyway, now if you want to change a string value, you don't need to do this, and I'm also going to mention, if you just want to change a value to a number, all you need to do is type equals, and then the number, say to 0, and then all this you don't need at all. You can just start from player.leaderStats. If you want to change value or add it, you just need to do this. Anyway, now to locate the string, all I need to do is do local rank, or the name of the string, equals player.leaderstats dot rank dot value equals 2, and then private. And then I also forgot, we do not need to do this since we're not adding, we're just making a new value, and say you can make it private or general. Now this is actually all done. Now I'm just going to play it and show you what it looks like, and my loading might be a bit slow, I'm not sure. Nope, it's all good. So now if we do step on it, you'll see it's adding, but there's an issue. We wanted to add it once. So if we step on it once, instead of a 1, it's giving us like 30. Now, this is because we don't have a debalance value. Now, we're going to make a debalance. So you can name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name it debalance equals true. Now what you want to do is type from the 6th line or whatever, if humanoid, and then you want to do and, so and another function, and debalance is true, then do this. Now this is a comparing statement. Equals means it's going to change a value. This is comparing. Keep that in mind. So equal, this is change basically, and then equal is a compare statement. Anyway, and this is true. Then what we're going to do is set the debalance, which would be equal to false now. Now what you guys want to do is put a wait statement of 2 seconds, or how long you want, and then do debalance equals to true. And then what this is going to do is going to equal true, this is going to set false, then true, and then come back and do this again. Now it's going to wait 2 seconds, then do this. Now, if we go ahead and do it, I'll show you that we cannot get unlimited anymore. So if we step on it, cache equals that. Alright, so I think we might need to change a little bit up of the script. Alright, so what it's doing is actually just waiting to give us that value. So wait 2 seconds, and I'll set it to true. So then we'll set debalance true. Let's see if that does it. And actually, I think you might have to do that wait statement at the end. Sorry about that one. Let me see. Yep, sorry. Instead of putting this before the values, you just want to copy it, leave that out, and place it there. So it's going to run that, and then it's going to initiate the wait, and then the debounce will be true. So if we go ahead and touch it, 1, and then if we keep going on it, 2, and then we'll see it takes time. Now, what if you want to do it so it will be green when it's ready to be clicked, and then red when it's false? Well, this is actually just super simple. All you want to do is set this color to bright green or any color, and then I'm going to go ahead and anchor this. Go into the script, and now we're going to do a color. So before it's false, what we're going to do is type part.brickColor equals brickcolor.new, and in here we're going to do bright red. And now what you want to do is, after this is done, we're going to put the new color of green, so it's ready to be clicked. So again, just part.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new, and then bright green. So now what this is going to do is it's automatically going to be green when it's ready to be clicked, and then false when you can no longer click. So now it's going to change red, and if we step on it, it doesn't give it. Now when it's back to green, we can do it again. We step on it, nothing happens. Now it's green again, and then I'll just show you by going over twice, and then we give it. And that's just how you make it change colors. And if you want to look at the script, here we go. If you get any errors, just go ahead and do that. I will leave the script in the description as always, and I'll leave a few notes in here. But otherwise, I'll see you guys.